Today I'm doing a review about this beautiful high-end model from Ignition model 164 scale, and as we can see it's a Nissan Top Secret GTR VR32 in yellow, orange, metallic. Here we got the barcode, article number for the ones who are interested, and some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Oh, official licensed product, that is what we like. Normally I don't buy these because they are very expensive. Yeah, let's have a look. So here we got the box. Already showed you this side. Comes in a nice display case. Okay, here we got some more information. Ignition model VR32 top secret high performance engineering surface. Doesn't say anything about limited. Nice intercooler here in the front. Lanced front lights, carbon fiber hood. Right hand steering wheel. We got side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Very nice looking rims. A lot of advertising here on the side. Here in the back, lands the rear lights. It all looks very good. And that is what you expect from a high-end model. Let's have a look inside, because I'm also expecting a good interior. Yep, no colors. The interior looks very good and authentic. Even a roll cage here in the back. No heating in the back window. And did I mention the carbon fiber spoiler here in the back? Okay, I'm also curious about the base. I'm expecting a metal base. For the price you pay, I think the price is around 50, 60 euro, maybe even more expensive. Nope, it's a plastic base. Was not expecting that. Good rubber tires, but no rolling wheels. That's also a little bit of a downside. I even think, yeah, the model feels also very light. I have to say I don't like that. I like it when a model feels heavy. I'm not sure if that's because of the plastic base. Probably is. But for this price, I think it should have a colored interior, rolling wheels, metal base. For the rest, I have no complaints. It looks very sharp. Colors are wonderful. The paint is wonderful. The wheels, yeah, they don't roll, but the rims are looking very good. Nice rubber tires. And also in the back, very good. But if you look at this model right here, and I know this is not a licensed model, but let's forget about that for a while. We have a very nice interior with colored details. And we got a metal base with details. Wider tires here in the back. Yeah, the flames are also cool, but that's what I'm expecting when I buy a model of this price. And now it was for a discount. But in the future, I'm not going to buy any more Ignition model. Or it has to be a very, very, very good price and a very good looking car. Where did I buy this one? Well, if you are interested, they have a lot of these cars on that website. Tom's Model Autos. I will put a link in the description. Down below the video, link in the description. And there you can check all the models they have from Ignition model. Okay, let me know what you think. Don't forget to smash the like button, click, 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 and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.